The upcoming Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra versus the Unihertz Shark 3. Which of the two devices is equipped with the best specs? Well, we will compare the specs of both devices in this video to point out which of the two rugged phones is equipped with the best specs. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So there we go, guys, the Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra versus the Unihertz Shark 3. Personally, the Armor 28 Ultra is much more better equipped in my opinion. What do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.